Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WATT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. But the chart's looking very, very shaky. I'm not going to say the chart's totally destroyed, but it's definitely walking on some thin ice here. And, the thin ice point, if you will, or in technical terms, the key level of support going forward, in my mind, is right here at that $1.90 mark. Why is $1.90 so important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to offer up some explanation to why this level is so important is if the price were to come down to the $1.90 mark and then just continue on down, at that point, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that make a great move upwards, which this one did, and then all of a sudden within the time span of a few days goes right back to where it was. Not exactly the sign of any sort of true power. And in technical jargon, this would essentially be a pump and dump where the price, like I said, makes an awesome move up, and then all of a sudden the price goes right back to where it started. But to be fair, I'm not saying that's going to be the case, and that is why that level is so important, because who knows, maybe something like this happens where it comes down here, but then the price behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. In this situation, all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And at this situation, $1.90 definitely going to be a very, very important level of support going forward. So in many ways, $1.90 kind of acting like a dictionary, meaning it's helping us define, is the price, quote unquote, going back? That associated with bearishness, or is the price, quote unquote, making progress? That associated with bullishness. So let's see what happens with it and see if the price can stay above $1.90 to close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.